All right, father-son scrimmage. Starting to get down to critical. Oh, and a running play. A running play. Denied by the dad. All right, JD's going for a long. No. Nope. He's thinking about it. He's got time to think. It goes to Marshall. There goes Marshall. And he's airborne. And now we have a trick play. Joey scores a touchdown. All right, the guys are going long. The dads are going long. Coach James is on it. Touchdown, Coach James. Aaron, you have an appendage.
He's my flax.
He's your flax. All right, the boys are ready. Wait, they're trying to have a comeback here. They're going for a comeback. I don't see any pressure by the dads. Everybody's in the backfield. Way too much time on the quarterback's hands. Oh, and he's crossing field. He's going the other direction. Oh, and he's sideswiped. He's going across again. Oh, my goodness. He's thinking about it. Pressure's on this time. Oh, yes, and he's going for it. He's going for it. Nobody's there. He crosses the line. Touchdown, touchdown.
I got him.
Oh, Will's going in. Will's going in. All right, there goes Will. Oh, he's going through. He's going through. Nobody's stopping him. Well, except for him. Oh, 3 dads. 4 dads. And it touched the ground. Oh, dad fail.